Hi, I'm Adelisa Corrales, 32 years old.
Okay, are you married?
I'm single parent,
Okay, how old is your child?
8 years old.
Okay, are you college graduate?
I'm college level.
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong?
I want to go in Hong Kong because I believe that it can help my family financially.
Did you work abroad before?
Yes,
Where?
in Qatar.
For how long?
3 years,
Okay, how many members of the family did you serve?
only two.
Two, how old?
And the elder, 71, and then the daughter is 36.
So what were your main duties with them?
I'm cooking them,
And? Cooking only?
cooking and cleaning.
Okay, you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Of course,
Kindly tell us how?
first you're going to feed them, change diaper, taking a bath.
Okay, can you sing children's song?
Yes.
Please try.
1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter, range, and 4
Okay,
letter.
do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Philippine food and Arabic food.
Describe your personal character.
I'm honest, hardworking, loyal.
Okay, how can you say that you will be a good domestic helper? Will you follow the rules and regulation of your employer?
Yes, I will follow rules and regulations of my employer.
And will you
I
promise
I promise to finish all my
2 years contract?
2 years contract.
Okay, thank you.